And let's start off with some breaking news that's coming in. The Election Commission has now sent across a stern warning to Shubhendu Adhikari as well after cracking the whip against Mamata Banerjee, against BJP's Rahul Sinha, and also now demanding action against Dilip Ghosh. You've got the Election Commission now warning Shubhendu Adhikari over a statement he made on 29th March, for which he had also filed a reply with the poll panel on 9th April. The Election Commission has now advised him to desist from using such statements while making public utterances when the model code of conduct is in place. Let me take this across to Aishwarya Paliwal for more details. So Aishwarya, you've got the Election Commission not really taking action against Shubhendu Adhikari, but they have issued a warning to him saying these kind of statements will not be taken lightly.
Well, definitely, Akshita, and let me also tell you the action which the Election Commission has taken in a span of 1 hour against 2 BJP leaders, one Dilip Ghosh, who is also the president of BJP West Bengal. He has been asked to explain his statements by 10 a.m. tomorrow, and without giving any notice, they have banned Rahul Sinha for the next 48 hours from campaigning. With regards to these, a notice, not just a notice, in fact, an order has been given to Adhikari in which the Election Commission has warned him, and the Election Commission has said that the kind of statements which violate the model code of conduct, they will not be taken lightly, and Shubhendu Adhikari in particular should not make any of those kind of statements in future. Now, the TMC time and again had been going back to the Election Commission with a plethora of complaints. The Election Commission, on one hand, while they have banned the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from campaigning for the next 24 hours, they are also taking action against BJP leaders. Akshita.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with those details. So the Election Commission is issuing a very close warning there to Shubhendu Adhikari, saying he cannot make such statements. This is about a statement that he made back in 29th March, based on which EC had also issued a notice to him.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.